So you see our Richie car. What's up, family? You see our Richie car full of sneakers, basketball. He getting ready. It's gonna be a showdown.
We outside.
We outside. Hopefully Richie gets to play.
Yeah.
Who is coming now? D Friga.
Big basketball YouTuber.
Damn. You've been wanting to battle him for a long time. Hopefully you'll get it. You get to battle him, right?
You got my keys?
Yeah, here. No, I don't know how to.
In my city, so you know we gotta pull up out here. You know?
Gotta pull up.
Early.
He's in the pizzle. What's up, family? I know it's been a while. We're back though. You know, just take a break sometimes. Don't be mad. But listen, he's in the pizzle. D Friga is in the pizzle. So hopefully we'll be able to get a good game, and you guys be able to see it. Ice cream truck is out here and everything. We in the pizzle, guys. We in the pizzle. All right. See you in a minute.
We got 6 down. You showing them the crowd?
He is here. See that red truck? That's his truck. Everybody going crazy, guys. Everybody going crazy. This is crazy.
You know how many niggas got next?
There he goes.
You gotta bust everything?
All right. He's in the pizzle.
Friga, you came to the wrong city. Let's get it. It's early. I see you though. Let's get it. We out here. Let's get it. Hey, Cassius.
Get Phillies is the 13th. They only play 5 games.
I know. That's what they win by the way. No, they're playing 5 games. No, they keep playing, but this is why people are here. They're playing all day. Lights on now.
You know, you gotta play the second competition, man. Why not?
They just be walking.
Let's get it.
Oh!
Hey! Good move, kid. My shit's like that.
One more game, Cinco, after this, one more game.
No, I had no doubt that he was gonna make it. I thought he was gonna make it. Really. Sometimes you just miss it.
Yeah, that's what they want to play. Yeah. And then they go. Trash talk. We tried, family. We ain't played. It's all good though.
That good talk.
I think about one of the quarter color for injuries.
That's it, Tom.
I know.
Fam, we ain't get to play.
Shit is
Fam,
messed up.
take the real hooper right here. That's the real hooper right here. We ain't even get to play, you know? Damn, B.